Good evening. Hello, California. Hello, J-Series. How's it going, everybody? Beautiful day. Hesperia, California. Hopefully you enjoy the ABC Garage video. But today, we got a new surprise. We got a new goodie for the Accord, man. It's a beautiful car, huh? So, 3, 2, 1. Oh my. So we just finished install the Holley intake plenum. You don't look beautiful? Huh. So, really quick, guys. Right here, you know the Accord is for inform you how to do your swaps, installation, modifications, whatever you need for J-Series builds. In this case, we're gonna talk about the Holley EFI plenum with the P2R adapter plate. So, first of all, you need to decide if you're going to use J35 68mm throttle body, or if you have the 80mm J37a1, J37a2, J37a4. J37a1 only 2010, 2012. J37a2 is from the RL. J37a4 is from the TL Ace H all-wheel drive. So, let's talk about how to make it fit the P2R adapter plate. So, the first thing you need to do is remove the hook belongs to here. You know, guys, there's a hook right there, so you use it for tow the engine up with the cherry picker to take out the engine. That's the first thing you have to do. You have to lose the power steering pump, take out the hook, and that will be it for that part. Second part, you need to grind a little bit, just really couple millimeters, the power steering pump. Just be careful you don't damage, to clear a little bit. You will need to use the P2R spacer, the thick one, the original. So you need to use that one with 2 thermal gaskets. All right. So the strut bar, if you see, guys, I changed my strut bar for aftermarket. You need to replace that too, because you don't have the clearance for this was a really headache. This guy right here, the fuse box. So you will need this strut bar aftermarket. You can get it eBay, you can get it in OfferUp. I get this one for 50 bucks. Megan Racing, I think, is a great price. Looks nice. And you know, second thing you will need to do, you will need to extend this guy right here, this cable, positive cable. You need to extend it to reach right here, the positive cable. So what I do, I don't cut it. I just grab another cable from the junkyard, have 2 terminals, and I just screwed it, one terminal here on the connection, and the other one I use it for here. All right. Other thing, you need to choose the spacer side, because this spacer I'm using J37a1 80mm throttle body 2012 MDX. So you will need to choose if you're using this or if you're using the J35. They got the P2R had 2 options, so you can choose whatever you want. So basically that will be it. Oh, the hoses, the brake line hose. So if you see, they going all the way to nice clean. So there's 2 vacuum hoses. You will need to put on the adapter plate under here. I will not record it because I don't think we're gonna see them. Let me check. Right there, you see it? With P2R would send you all the hardware. So you basically, I do my own hardware, but basically they send you everything, so you will be fine. So yeah, I was running the air raid 4-inch, but I need to put it right here because how is how it's located. Maybe I can make it fit, but it's a lot of modifications right now. I'm not going to do that. If you're running your battery on the back, you will not have a lot of problems. You will not need to do all these different modifications. But because I'm running mine on the front, in the future I'm planning to move it back, but not now. So yes, you will not need. So okay, the shifter cables right there, make sure they are not stuck in any cable. Try to use straps for tie the harness. Tie everything, don't leave everything hanging, guys. Use the straps. Use whatever you need to use to don't leave anything hanging. That's really dangerous. Just in case one cable gets stuck, it will be dangerous. The ground cables right here, these 2 ground are really important. One is coming from the harness and one is coming from the chassis to the engine. Really important. Don't delete those grounds. Your car's gonna start acting weird, or maybe it don't turn on. I don't know. But yeah, and I think that will be it. Plenum Holley with the P2R adapter plate right now. The air fuel ratio is really crazy. This plenum will change your whole power curve. So you will need to tune it. If you don't using any tuning software, any tuning device, don't do it. Don't do it. Right now I've been doing by myself some modifications on the map, but I'm still learning how to tune, because in the future I'm gonna start tuning my own. So yes, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoy this video. One recommendation: before you put the plenum, make sure you attach the hoses on the brake booster and the other vacuum hoses on the adapter plate first. Don't leave it for the end, because you're gonna have a lot of headaches. I think that will be it. Hopefully you enjoy the video. The Accord Man, one more time, inform you guys how to put your goodies, your modifications on your car. God bless everybody, and hopefully see a good gains here with this guy. And let's go to the dyno next week and see what he can do, Thank you for watching one more time. If you have any comments, just leave it right there below. God bless you. If Jesus is the king of our life, well, for me, he's the king of my life. I don't know you. If you don't know him, I recommend you to start knowing him. God bless you. Thank you for watching the Accord Man Holley plenum installation with P2R adapter plate. Thank you. Bye-bye.